Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making chicken pomodoro paninis. Okay, so for this recipe you're going to need mayo, pesto. I just use this brand of the store-bought pesto. If you want to make your own, you can. Here are some julienne cut sun-dried tomatoes that I also buy in a jar. You could just look for them that way, sun-dried tomatoes. Here I have some butter spray. You're going to need butter to put on your bread. This is a bread that I use. You can use any big bread that you like. This is the one that I like for my paninis. You're gonna need spinach, provolone cheese, and sliced chicken. Here I have a panini press as well. This is not something that you definitely need. You can do it on the stove as well. It's just more convenient to have this, but you definitely don't need it. All right, so here I have my panini press. I've already begun to heat it up. I have my 2 slices of bread. On one side of it, I'm gonna put mayo. Okay. All right. Okay, and then on the other side, I'm gonna put the pesto. All right, so then on top of this, we're gonna add the 2 slices of provolone cheese. So here's 1, and then 2. Okay, and then here I'm gonna add my sliced chicken. I grilled my chicken just because I love grilled food. You don't have to grill your chicken. You can just cook it on the pan, use a rotisserie chicken. I mean, as long as it's chicken, you can use it however you'd like. On top of this, I'm gonna add some of the sun-dried tomatoes. Okay, and then I'm gonna add my spinach to this side. So here's just a handful of spinach. All right, and then we're gonna close it up. Okay, so here you're just gonna butter the top bun. I have my butter spray. You can use butter if you'd like. I'm just gonna use this because it's convenient, so I'm just gonna spray. Okay, and then I'm gonna place this side first on the panini press or on whatever you're using. You can, like I said, you can use a stove, on a pan. It doesn't have to be a panini press. Okay, so there. I'm gonna spray the top as well because I'm gonna close the panini press. Okay, and then we're gonna close it. And we're just gonna allow that to cook together. Usually takes about 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, so our panini has been cooking for about 3 to 4 minutes. We're gonna lift it up and it's nice and golden brown. So we're gonna just take it off. Oh, there you have it. And we're just gonna cut it. Maybe a little bit too hot. You could just eat it like that or cut it. I wanna cut it just to show you guys how it looks. There it is, guys. This panini is so good and delicious. Bye, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.